Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change your Hostinger temporary domain. So, first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your Hostinger account. Okay, and then make sure that you have a plan. Okay, so after that, once you're on your dashboard, tap on the websites option. That's right, and here you'd be able to see all of your website. Okay, so here you just have to tap on the dashboard. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. After that, right here, you have this domain and you can see this label, the temporary. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. After that, right here on the domain name, you just have to enter your real domain. So for example, yourname.com. Then after that, you just had to tap on the next option. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to tap on right here, this one. Okay, and you'll be able to see here now the available domain. So all you have to do is tap on it and then tap on the next option. After that, right here, you just have to choose your billing period. All right, then after that, you just have to complete the payment. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.